Hello, my name is Dr. Jonathan Nicozisis, and I will be showing you how to perform micro-osteoperforations using the Propel Excellerator RT driver. Evaluate the treatment area on the patient. Identify the roots, the mandibular nerve, and maxillary sinuses. After receiving your patient's written consent, have your patient rinse twice with chlorhexidine for the duration of 1 minute each time. Anesthetize and propel with the Excellerator RT driver. To ensure your patient's comfort, anesthetize the treatment area using either a topical or local infiltrative anesthetic. Once you have assured that the treatment area is anesthetized, remove the tip of choice from the sterilized packaging. To insert the tip, press the release button on the driver and slide the keyed end of the tip into the bottom of the driver, then release the button to lock the tip in. Micro-osteoperforation depths are determined by bone and soft tissue thickness. Micro-osteoperforations should penetrate through the cortical plate into cancellous bone. Hold the driver to the gingiva while keeping the tissue taut. Rotate the driver clockwise while applying gentle pressure. Continue to turn until the desired depth is reached. Line marks on the sleeve of the open tip indicate depths of 3, 5, and 7 millimeters. Rotate the driver counterclockwise to remove. Where possible, perform 2 to 3 micro-osteoperforations depending on the proximity of the anatomical structures. Perforations can be made buccal or lingual in a linear or triangular fashion. You may repeat micro-osteoperforations with Propel every 10 to 12 weeks until the desired movement is achieved. Be sure to provide your patients with aftercare instructions ensuring that they avoid any non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. Tylenol is the only recommended medication should any discomfort occur.